So I'm doing a review for JNJ Homes. They sent me this fruit and vegetable cleaner, and they wrote me this really nice thank you note. And thank you for that, you guys. So let me go ahead and unbox this and tell you guys what I think about it. So inside the box, as soon as you open it up, there's this little sheet. It says clean 15 and then dirty dozen. It's just showing you some fruits and vegetables. And I'll be honest, I have never even heard of one of these. I guess my wife has, but I'm glad that you guys sent this over to me because I really wanted to see if this thing works. And at this point, when I'm opening it up, I really don't even know how to use it. But what I do know is that it's going to clean my fruits and my veggies. And it looks relatively simple to use. I mean, it looks like you just plug it in here. That's a little portable charging station. You just put the actual machine cleaner on top, and then it came with this peeler and scrubber, which is kind of nice. This thing is really sharp, by the way. That peeler, thank you guys for that. Yeah, the scrubber, scrub your fruits and veggies is key. So what I had was some apples and some oranges. Went ahead and took the stickers off, put some water in it. I found a big bowl, and what you want to do here is just scrub up the fruits if there's any kind of dirt on them, and then put your portable cleaner inside from JNJ Homes. And I noticed that I needed more water, but anyways, so I did those, and then I said, man, let me try some strawberries, because I know strawberries are a lot dirtier than typically apples and oranges. So I said, let me try some strawberries. So what I failed to mention was that I put some salt in here. It says in the instructions to put some salt. So I did. I just didn't have it on video here, but put some salt, and I go ahead and pressed it. And look how dirty the water is after cleaning these strawberries. And look how clean they look now. It's crazy the difference that it makes. I was pretty amazed at how dirty these strawberries were, and supposedly they were already washed.